hot.
How much even rain? Alright. Right now it's almost like 10:10. We are going to Baler
Yeah.
for 2 days.
Bro, you got 1,000.
Wow.
That's much higher than 200.
I wanna use it.
You're using it for McDonald's. I'm right.
No. Dad will pay for it. Why would I pay for it?
This is the hotel we are staying for next 2 days. It's a beautiful place. Playa Azul Hotel. So you have plenty of place to sit down for the morning breakfast. You can have over here. At the same time, you have a reception. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Stephen, you getting bored? Look at the roof. It's beautiful. Let's line it up. This is the maximum light. Yeah. When it's lined, it will be like this. This is the bathroom. It's nice. The real kicker is this. How beautiful the view it is. The beach, it is only like 50 meters from here. Just only one road is crossing over there. Look at it. Yeah. That is our hotel name. The hotel we are staying, Playa Azul. We have a 3 stories, beautiful room. Little bit more pricey, but it's fine. Seriously, very safety and next to the beach. I love the swimming pool. Look at it. See it? Seriously. Beautiful. Here 7 feet, 6 feet, 5 feet. That's the situation. So the deepest part is right here. Very peaceful. Looks like only we are here, nobody else. Here is the emergency contact. Pause the video and check the information. Right now it's already 3:30. Looks like Junior cannot wait to swim in the swimming pool. So we have to go there. Hey! See that? He cannot wait. He cannot wait. I asked you to wait. Don't cross the line. That is 5 feet. So he's having a good time right now. Look at it. Woohoo! You like it? Yeah. Stephen, are you tired already?
Yeah. I was drowning sometimes,
Oh.
but the life does it still save me.
Life first?
Yeah.
Okay. So having snack time, huh? What is it? We cut?
What is that? That's not now.
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you.